What it do, YouTube? I am your boy Tony Vogue, the eBoy Zombie Slayer. You know that does more than kill zombies. I also appreciate fine women, especially the pole dancers. We do love the pole dancers. It's an art. Now, we got an artist by the name of Tatyana Stayanovskaya at Snowstorm 2022. This brand new exotic professional class. She gonna do something y'all ain't never seen before. This is something completely fresh. I love this take. Now, before we get into this, I need you to subscribe. If you already subscribed, drop a comment so I can like that comment, so I can pin that comment, so we can be best friends forever. You and your boy Tony Vogue, you know? You follow me on Twitter, T0NYV0GU3, OnlyFans.com/B0GU3. I'd give you the rest of my socials, but it don't matter, player. If you ever want to chill with me and my homies, where we do keep the pole dance going, you gotta check out this place called Black Velvet Lounge. It's on Discord, discord.gg/blackvelvet. That's an adult community / nightclub / day lounge where we keep it real, you know? Be prepared to 18 plus ID verified. We have hopping VCs day and night. Anyways, without further ado, let's let this lady do what she do. Like I said, this routine's something different. It's a little spooky. She got her little straight jacket hospital routine on. Escape mental patient. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah, you know my circle tight, and you know we got them good vibes.
What the fuck? I have the most awkward boner right now, YouTube.
Crew stay so glued, it's good vibes till we rip though. Got a bottle with a Hennessy, I put it on the ice. Crew so turn, yeah, we do this every night. Got a whole pound rolled up for the perp, and we're about to get burnt like an aircraft site. We get no sleep, do this all week. VSOPs, or that we drink.
She busting it though.
We do not think, got the good vibes, that's what I preach, bitch. Hennessy only don't drink, Chris. If you got drama, don't bring, bitch. This is that lot familiar only, that team, shit.
So turn because we do this every night. Yeah, we do this every night. Keep our Hennessy on ice, yeah.
She's got great form, great technique. I just don't think this is what you think of when you say you're gonna go out to the Rippers. That's not what pole dance is about, since... Oh, she's about to bust it out. And this is the difference between professional pole dance and stripping. Shit, don't hurt nothing, dude. Yo, somebody get her some help. Is she dead? Oh yeah, she's fucked in the head. We know that.
Pass me the green, I need some weed with my Hennessy. Pass me the white, I need some drugs for my enemies. Pass me the hoes, so the homies got them going round. Don't pass me your blunt, cause I'm trying to burn a fucking pound.
Sheesh. I bet she's a blast to party with. I want to chill with this girl.
I'm living that good life. Show me what that good's like. I'll show you what's alright. We going all the way. Ayy, VSOP all day. Ayy, can't fuck with me, no way. Ayy, bitch, I got them good.
So turn because we do this every night. Yeah, we do this every night. Keep our Hennessy on ice, yeah. Yeah, you know my circle tight, and you know we got them good vibes. Got them good vibes. Nothing good.
I mean, if the goal was to come out looking like a crazy creature, crazy bitch from a horror movie, she did it. Whatever she was trying to accomplish, this is a different ass routine. She's got power, she's got athleticism, and she still kind of keeps it feminine with her creepy ass. I mean, I ain't bringing her home, but, you know? Oh. Jeez. I'm personally loving the new school mix-up of clump, freestyle, breakdancing, all the other arts coming into pole dance. What y'all think? Drop me a comment below. That was wild shit. And she is kind of spooky. But you gotta respect her art. It's Tony Vogue. Finger guns.